Welcome to my class. In this class, we will talk about computer network. The simple meaning of computer network is when two or more computers are connected to one another, it becomes a computer network. It means when two computers start communicating with each other, then it's a case of computer network. So the computer network starts with two computers and it can go to millions of computers. A computer network is a network of geographically distributed multiple computers connected to each other so that meaningful exchange of information become possible among them. Then it becomes a computer network. Look at this particular case. Here number of computers are connected to each other and they can communicate with each of them. It's a case of computer network. The technical meaning of computer network. A computer network is a communication system in which a number of computers and other devices like printers, scanner are connected by wired or wireless media along with other hardware devices. This is the technical meaning of computer network. What are the objectives of computer network? Some of the major objectives of computer network are: computer networks are made for sharing of information, sharing of hardware, sharing of software, and at times sharing of processing load. So these are the four major objectives behind the formation of computer networks: sharing of information, sharing of hardware, sharing of software, and sharing the processing load of different computers. Now let us talk about the different components of network. The components of a network means what are the parts that are required to make a computer network. The following components are found in all types of networks. The first one is server, client, medium, resources, and the last one NIC, network interface card. Let us talk about these components one by one. The first one is server. Server. A computer that fulfills the request of other computers is termed as server. And those computers whose requests are fulfilled, they are termed as clients. In other words, server is a computer that provides shared resources to all authorized network users, that is clients. Now, what is the meaning of client? A computer that makes a request to another computer, that is server, to fulfill its processing requirement is termed as client. So the computer which makes a request to the computer is a client. In other words, client is a computer that accesses shared resources available with servers. The third one is medium. In a network, the computers may be connected with each other with the help of wires or without wires, that is wirelessly. Therefore, to connect the computers with each other, there may be wired or wireless medium. So we can have two types of medium, wired medium and wireless medium. Resources. The resources may be in the form of data, information, computer files, printers, or other connected things to be used by the network users or networked machines. So all those things which are required by network users or network machines, it is termed as resources. The last one is NIC, network interface card. A network card is a piece of hardware that allows a computer to connect to a computer network. This is a device which helps a computer to get connected to other computers. Earlier, this card used to come in the form of separate printed circuit board which was installed on the expansion slots of the motherboard. Nowadays, this card is integrated on the motherboard. This card is also known as NAT card, Network Adapter Unit, NAT Adapter card. Each network card has a unique number and this is used for addressing. It is called MAC address, MAC address. Thank you very much.